Hello, dear ones. I know these times may feel difficult. It may feel like you're tired, you just want to cuddle up in bed and shut the world out. And although this is understandable, my sense is that for August 2023, we will also see something different apart from this exhaustion energy that many people still have right now, which is also still a consequence of the past couple of years and what we have been through, what we have been living. So if you still feel that like things may seem hard or difficult or tiring, that's fine. But there is something else that I want to express and share with you, what I sense for August, which is that although in the collective there still seems to be a lot of negativity and there will still be a lot of negative elements, they will be revealed, right? There is the energy of revealing, and a lot that is revealed is obviously of a negative nature, and we know why that is, because only if it's revealed, only if we see it, we can change it, we can do something about it, we can transform it. So that is still there, and that might be the bigger part that we see right now. But beside it is something else that I sense is coming up, and that is a revelation to many individuals, something that is revealed to them from within, and that is a spark of hope. That's what it feels like to me, or a spark of positivism and having a positive outlook or sense of the future. So that is something that is parallel to that bigger aspect that we have been seeing for so long now, and that still seems to be there. But there is a revelation of hope energy within individuals, many individuals' hearts or internal lives. And if that's the case for you, I want to sensitize you for August to pay attention to this. Like, no matter how tired you feel or how many things there are to do or how pessimistic you have been viewing things, you don't have to reject that or do anything with it. You can simply notice when something else wants to be revealed to you, wants to come up, and give your attention and your energy onto that. Because again, what comes up all the time when I tune into the energies of a month is take your power back, take your power back. People, take your power back. Mel, tell people to take their power back. What does it mean? It means the one of the most important aspects of our power that we have is our attention, our energy. Where we place our energy is where our attention is where our energy goes. And where what we energize becomes real, becomes reality, becomes bigger, becomes more energized. So we have to really counter our programming, our conditioning. It's a human conditioning to be preoccupied with what is predominantly in the field and to feed it so that it stays predominantly in the field, in the collective field, right? Which means if that's negative and we fuel it with our fears, our worries, our concerns, we're warned about this, we're challenged with that, and we give our attention to that, guess what we're doing? We're keeping this there. We are keeping it there. It's not someone who puts that there, who makes us face it and deal with it and who does something to us with it. We're creating it again and again and again each day. That's how much power we have. And so we can all experiment with this in saying, if that were true and I was to act on this, what about me taking my focus off of what I don't want, or what I judge as wrong, or what is giving me pain and grief. And I place my focus and attention and give my energy to what I truly want to live, and what I know in my heart of hearts is the truth. We are all connected. The source of everything and the fabric of everything is love. And whatever is being created here in this illusion, I can fuel with my energy and keep it alive as a reality. But if it makes me suffer, why would I want to do that? If it makes other people suffer, why would they want to do that? Let's take our power back. Let's come back and focus on what we want to have our attention on what we want to create, on this future that we see for ourselves in our lives starting today. What beautiful things do I want to see today in my life? What do I want to create? Positive, warm-hearted, open-hearted, overflowing, peaceful, connected, joyful. What is it, and how can I contribute to that? And then to a world that becomes more like that. We really have to choose consciously what we fuel with our attention and our energy. And I think we are very laxy-daisy with that. And we just follow the conditioned programming of there's the drama, there's the scandal, and if I don't take in all those negative news, then I'm not informed. And I cannot walk around the world not being informed. And we have been taught that if you don't listen to the news, if you don't read the paper every day, you're not informed and you're missing out on things. And there's something wrong with it. It's quite the opposite. If you take your focus off the false illusion of something you recreate all the time and the collective recreates, and place it on what you want to create with your creative force, you create reality. You actually create reality a lot more in alignment with the truth that all is well, all is connected, all is love, all is joy and hope. This is where we come from. This is what we are. And so we get to express that again in our hopes for this world, in our hopes for our own lives, and not hopes as in wishful dreaming, but sensing the possibility and then following this and becoming the creator of manifesting the sense of it's possible, I'm hopeful, manifesting that into a tangible reality in your life and in the collective life. And so that's the message for August, that, and I know we've said this before, take your power back and notice where you place your focus and where you willingly and oftentimes unknowingly energize themes, issues, topics, and realities that you do not want to energize. And use your energy, use your power, your amazing power as a co-creator, as a soul, to actually create the world as you would want it. One step at a time, one day or 1 minute at a time. But you cannot expect changes out there if you are still indulging in the negative unconscious thought patterns and fueling the negativity and the negative view of the world out there, because the world out there is you. It is all one. So if you want a positive life, if you want to leave this planet saying, I loved this life, this world was beautiful. If this is what we want, we better start creating this beautiful world and not hoping and wishing someone else would put it into place for us with some regulations, some changes, some system transformations. They have to be the result of our doing. And by doing, I mean of our being. They will be the result, all the transformations and changes will be the result of every single soul, every single human being who will have transformed inside, who will have become love, who will have become more their true nature of a divine spark of source, knowing that this is what they are, and then living it more and more day by day. So that's the invitation for August. If you find this helpful, you can leave a comment in the section below. I'm going to love you and leave you and bless you for today. And we'll talk again next time if you want to.